Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, July 11. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and we're going to be looking at the chart of Euro Dollar share 60 minutes. We can see we ended with 2 in the form of a double 3, so WXY, ended here at 108.32. From here we have started to rally higher again, the rally looking impulsive, 5 waves. So as long as we stay above 108.32, we should continue to see more upside. So we can already see a 5 waves up, so we soon should be looking for this pullback. Now we can still extend higher, doesn't mean we have to drop right away. In fact, I could even move 3 here, for example, if it continues to go higher. But the idea is that we should be looking for a pullback soon. It's not going to go up non-stop, right? At some point it's going to pull back to correct the cycle, and then from there we should be looking for more upside as long as it stays above 108.32. Now if I zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, okay, now we can see right here we have already broken above this. So if I copy this wave 2 here, this is your wave 2 here, so this is your wave 1. So basically you already create a high sequence, even though it's short term, but from May 31st. Now of course this high here is even more important than this high, right? This high here, but at least from the June here we have already seen a high here. So most likely we're going to continue to go higher. Again, just simply measuring 100% extension will give you a potential target to 112. Now this is of course not going to be 24 hours, but 112 is a potential target, the 100%, and can even go to 1.618 if it is a wave 3, right? Can even go to 114. But we do have a high which is bullish. So as long as we stay above this 108.32 in the 1 hour here, then any pullback again should continue to find support in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing for further upside. All right, so if you want to get more updates on the euro dollars or any other forex, commodities, stocks, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.